So today's briefing was on the Harbor Maintenance Trust Fund. And the trust fund is a critical funding mechanism within the federal government that funds very important harbor maintenance activities that support our nation's national ports and harbors. The point of today's briefing was really to highlight the fact that the Harbor Maintenance Trust Fund is funded based off of revenues that go into the trust fund that are collected for harbor maintenance activities. And the fact of the matter is that over the years, the amount collected has never been fully appropriated for harbor maintenance. And so that's why you're seeing stakeholders from industry, from within Congress and kind of across the board agreeing on the very common sense fact that these funds need to 100% be used for harbor maintenance where they're critically needed.
I think the message that I want to leave with the staffers is that the Corps of Engineers and the program that the Corps of Engineers executes for the operation and maintenance of our national harbors contributes to the quality of life, whether it is water supply, movement of commerce and jobs and contribution to the economy. What stuck with me in a particular way was the support over a very broad perspective of stakeholders, from the dredging industry to the waterways industry to local economic perspective of the support and the need to maintain our nation's navigation infrastructure.